How are we doing today? Yep. So it's your boy Udale. So today we're going to be learning how to make spontaneous worship. I think the spontaneous worship is for how long, Seth? Let's check time. I think it was okay, it's 15, it's not 15, I think 14 minutes, 50 seconds long. So but it's interesting. So today we're just going to go through my mix process for spontaneous worship, and I'm going to tell you what I did and how to get yours to sound like mine. Now, first and first, this record didn't had a lot of positive sounds, so it had a lot of issues that we needed fixing, and we tried to work on that one. So, first thing first, let's hear the spontaneous.
I couldn't earn it. I never did anything to deserve it. Still, he gave up himself for me. I couldn't earn it. I couldn't earn it. I couldn't walk for it. I couldn't walk for it. I don't deserve it. I don't.
So, yep, that's it. That's it right there. So, my what I did first was autotune, autotune EQ, DSR, compressor, RX depulsive sound, fresh air, Pro Q4. So I'm gonna be doing some explanation. Hello. Uh so let's start from the auto tune. On the key of F, my flex tone is on 28, return speed 25, natural vibrato on 0.0, humanization all the way to 100. My scale is on major scale. Uh So let's go straight to the Baba Blue. So the EQ, I want to cut this guy. Oh wow. Let me cut this guy back, please. She's an auto singer, so auto clean up. That's the preset I'm using. Then I'm just working around that. Then I'm boosting a little bit of the high. Then I'm doing small chords here and there just to tackle. Like I said, the recording had a bit of a this snag now, but we had to fix that. So
I couldn't earn it. I couldn't earn it. I couldn't walk for it.
so that's it. Then I'm DSing.
I couldn't earn it. I couldn't earn
So that's us trying to DS the vocals so that we don't have a lot of S's. I'm doing compression, hold goody compressor from Logic. That's what I'm using right now. Just nothing too much. Makeup gain is on, I think, 3.0. Okay, 3.0. My ratio is on 4.1. My threshold is on 26 minus 26.5 dB. My nail is on 0.7 fast attack and fast release, but not so fast release. The attack is faster and stuff. Then my makeup gain is on it's turned off. Yeah. So that's just what I'm doing with this compressor. Nothing too much, nothing too heavy, just minimal compressor. Then I'm doing the deplosive sound because of those pulsive sounds. They didn't have enough time to actually calm down, record. It was like in a hurry kind of thingy. But I came out very well. She's an excellent singer, and kudos to the engineer who recorded it. Recording was clean. So that's the positive sound for those positive sounds. And I'm using fresh air. I'm boosting 19% of my eyes, and I'm not boosting any mids just to give it a little bit of fresh air. So let's go to ProQ4. I'm boosting around 2K hertz because of I want there is this there's this emptiness. There's the way our vocals were sounding empty. So I wanted to tackle that real quick. That was why I did that. So yep, that's it there.
I couldn't earn it. I couldn't earn it.
So yeah, that's sounding a little bit empty. So I added a C a little A, but I ended up turning it off because her vocals were sounding too mushy. So I turned it off. I don't even want to just reduce it a bit. I just turned it off. Yeah. I'm using Saturn tune, good old Saturn tune, Saturn 2, and my favorite preset of all time, saturate and color 0 or color O, whatever it is. So I'm using reverb, Pro R on my vocal bus. I still have another reverb on a separate FX bus, but I'm applying this just to put the vocals. I want to convey a lot of emotion because this is spontaneous worship, so that's why I'm doing that. So the vocals could carry a lot of emotion. So I'm using microphone from IK Multimedia. Just to emulate this microphone, this source microphone. I don't know which microphone was used exactly. I didn't ask, so I just left this dynamic microphone so that I could emulate a good and better condenser microphone. Yep, and proximity is on 2.6, input gain 0.0, harmonics. Okay, harmonics is on 2.6, proximity on 0.0, input gain on 0.0. Yep, so nothing too much. The condenser mic I'm using is condenser 170. My dynamic microphone is dynamic 58, which is the Shure SM58. Uh, then I'm using another DSR, an extra DSR. Yeah. So then
I couldn't earn it. I couldn't earn it. I couldn't work for it. I couldn't work for it.
yep.
I don't deserve.
So I think that's where that should be at the moment. And I've got some FX synths. I have the Abbey Road saturator. I always use this guy. I've got the H delay from Waves also. Then I'm doing this EQ curve. I'm taking out a lot of the lows and the highs, just leaving the mid sections to reflect the delay effect. And I'm using Valhalla vintage verb for my final reverb. And these are the sounds.
I couldn't earn it. I couldn't earn it. I couldn't work for it. I couldn't work for it. I don't deserve it.
Yeah, so I've got C4 on the master output and Pro L2 for gain for increasing the volume.
I couldn't earn it. I couldn't earn it. I couldn't work for it.
Yep, so that's all about this. So all the precepts I use here, this chain is available. If you need it, just say chain on the comment section, and I'm going to drop this medley chain for you to be able to mix your medley with. I'm just going to tell you what it takes to have it. Yep. So God bless you. This is all about it. So we're exporting now. If you have any questions on how to mix spontaneous, just pianos and vocals, hit me up. I'm going to answer your questions. God bless.